Come on, bro. Come on.
I don't want to go.
Come on. You don't need help up now? This is the vlog of making this pit.
Times 13 is 26.
Some weed guard for the pit. Yes, sir. Oh,
Oh, dude, 10% off?
Oh, what up? Oh,
3 times 100. 300. Idiot.
dang, you passed, son?
I think this will be enough.
I like this little tripod thing. Deb's gonna have to pick one up. All right, so we got the wood all laid out. We gotta pick it all up and level it now, because as you can see, it's not level.
I'm gonna go grab the level.
Yep, I'm gonna set this guy up somewhere and get a time lapse going. Alright, so now we gotta cut wood to fit in these gaps because you didn't sell 10 foot. So, that's what we gotta do. Saw your face. In second grade.
13 and a half. I keep that there. Or,
Yeah.
well, we're gonna be at 13 and a half. I think we should cut the 13 and a half and then measure.
I don't want to make it as easy
Because I don't know how to measure from there to there. Because the wood's beveled.
Right, yeah, we'd have to do, we'd have to make a line
Yeah.
going there and just, yeah. So do the 13 and a half, so do those 3 cuts. Alright. I'm still asleep, but we're doing the shelves now. Laid this tarp down so no weeds would come, and now we're just pouring shells on. Time for the very long, strenuous process of taking it out of the truck and putting it in the pit. Alright, got the pit all filled in with the shell. We hosed all the shell down, raked it pretty level, and yeah, this thing is almost ready for the boat. I mean, the only thing else that we need is to get rid of that fence and put our double gate in. And we got that stuff, so it's time to get it done. Thank you guys for watching. And next time you see the boat, it'll be back here on the pit.